Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today I wanted to show you different ways to use macrame plant hangers for home decor. Also, if you want me to show you how to make these, let me know in the comments below and I will do a part 2. These ones are very easy to make. The first one I made is for fall decor. I did a wrapping knot, or you can call it a gathering knot, up the top. Some beautiful fall colors. And you can decorate them any way you'd like. And put them through your house for home decor. The next one, I got a live plant in this one. This is a spider plant. I put this in water. This is a smaller one. And I did a braid and just put a little pink tassel on the bottom. And this is the tiny one. This would be nice also for fall colors. And this is a artificial plant, a succulent, and this one. And the fourth one, this is a live plant, the photos, in water with aquarium rocks in here. You can do these all different sizes. Also add a little pom-pom to this one with beads. And this one I put in my living room. I brought it in here for now. This is a longer one. Braided the tail and just added a tassel in the bottom. I got my live photos in this one in a pot and a basket. So these are nice for some home decor projects. You can put them all around your house and use these for different items. And like I said at the beginning, if you'd like, I can show you how to make these in a DIY in my next video or an upcoming video. I like that little cute tiny one. You can make these any size you'd like. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.